Hi friend, Roxy Saran here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about carrier oils. Now, what is a typical and most familiar usage of essential oils is adding them to your diffuser. Most people are traditionally comfortable with and they know about aromatherapy. But just as, or even more beneficial, are essential oils topically, depending on the results in which you would like to see. Well, that's where beautiful carrier oils come in, and they're excellent to have on hand. So researching carrier oils online can sometimes be overwhelming, and there's so many different types. How do you know what to use? Sometimes the essential oil chemical profile can actually be easily dissolved or changed depending on what carrier you use with it. Maybe it's not a pure carrier. And if you're looking to change, you don't want to change those results and make sure that you have those enhanced benefits, you want to make sure that you're using the proper carrier oil. We personally only use doTERRA essential oils in our home and doTERRA carriers along with that. So I'm glad that you're joining me today to learn more about this topic. Go to roxysaran.com. Scratch that. I'm so glad that you are joining me today. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. All right, so what is a carrier oil? Well, a carrier oil is something that carries the essential oil to the parts of your body, right? It helps bind the essential oil. It can be something like a vegetable oil with, for sure, little to no scent that is used to dilute the essential oil on the skin. It's not a volatile essential oil. Volatile oils are like aromatherapy, right? Where they're volatile into the air and they have a smell. Well, carrier oils, on the contrast, are not volatile. They bind to the skin, they're shelf stable, and so they carry the essential oils to your skin. They do not dilute the efficacy in any way, just the way that it would feel to the skin. So some essential oils have a heating sensation, some have a cooling sensation. When you bind an essential oil with a carrier, it's going to carry it to your body and lessen the sensation on your skin, whether it's hot or cold. Okay, so essential oils are actually better absorbed to the skin and they don't evaporate and flash off as much when you use a carrier with it. So it's quite the contrast. Many times people think, no, I'm not going to use a carrier because I don't want to dilute the efficacy. That's actually a myth. It's false. You actually want to use a carrier with it because more of the essential oil will get bound up to your skin, less of it will flash off. And also dilution is always necessary for those hot essential oils. It's always just a good idea to err on the side of using a carrier oil, especially with children or those with sensitive skin. And so when in doubt, dilute. All right, if you're ready to hop in and get started with doTERRA essential oils, I would be honored to help you right at roxysaran.com. Okay, so starting October 1st, 2021, mark this in your calendar, we have new body carrier oil coming out with doTERRA. It's called exactly that, new body carrier oil. It has passion fruit, jojoba, boab, moringa, tocopherol, and sunflower seed. Wow, if you research any of those individually, you can see that it's super hydrating to the skin. It's a little bit of a thicker composition. It's colorless and odorless, and this body oil is naturally intended to be blended with your favorite essential oil. Very hydrating to the skin, will help make your skin feel really supple, and the body oil is specifically, this carrier oil is excellent to blend with your natural, pure, plant-based ingredients like your doTERRA essential oils. Very nourishing and replenishing to your skin. It's also very lightweight yet penetrating. Makes it really ideal for those professional DIY or massage settings. So if you're going into your masseuse, or maybe you are a masseuse, you're gonna love the new body carrier oil from doTERRA. Excellent for your hands and for carrying those essential oils to the back especially. Also for DIYs, maybe you're making your own crafts at home or your own soaps or your own roller blends, you're gonna love this. So the body oil is really easily adjusted to pressure, especially when gliding and performing any body work. Well, it also leaves the skin feeling super smooth and silky to the touch. Again, blend it with your favorite essential oil, create a customized massage, or you can add a few drops to even to your bath water. Also, you can use it after a bath or after your shower and apply it to any of those dry spots, for example, your elbow or your knees. All right, so October 1st, 2021, you're gonna want to hop in, go to roxysaran.com and grab your new body carrier oil from doTERRA. You're going to love it. All right, so what else comes out October 1st, 2021? We have a new skin sensitive carrier oil blend. I know for many years doTERRA has had the fractionated coconut oil, which has been a staple in our home, but we don't have any sensitivities to coconut oil, but I have heard of some individuals who do. So I love that we now have a sensitive skin carrier oil blend. It's grapeseed oil, rosehip seed oil, hemp seed, tocopherol, and again, sunflower seed. Those of you that have been asking me about rosehip seed oil, now we have it in this sensitive formula. You're gonna love it. This is excellent for affecting the condition of the skin. So maybe as you consider skin things, you're thinking maybe a day at the beach in the sun, or maybe those wintry winds on the slopes, or just getting to the bus stop or something like that. You're going to love the new sensitive skin carrier oil for those excessive heat or cold situations. Even as we age and genetics, some of us have a little bit more favor or not in our face, especially in our hands, our décolleté. And so I love the new body carrier that is the new sensitive skin carrier is formulated with certified, pure, tested grade plant ingredients. It's excellent and gentle, formulated to calm and comfort the skin, the conditions of the skin. Also, it is really high in linoleic acid, and so this is help fortify and protect the skin's moisture barrier. Very lightweight, comforting, penetrating. It soothes very well for those dry skin, distressed, or even just irritated skin. You're going to love it. Maybe think of a little baby cheeks sometimes get those little things on their face. You're going to love that. Okay, well, you can always dilute it with your favorite certified pure tested grade essential oils from doTERRA. Of course, it is colorless and odorless, so you're going to be able to enjoy the many, many benefits while minimizing any skin sensitivity or reactions. You can also use it in your bath, just a few drops in there, or after your shower, in a massage, or just topically to any dry areas that you might have. Will help your skin looking beautiful, radiant, and healthy. You can also create a beautiful, soothing experience right in the comfort of your own home. 4 to 5 drops of the carrier oil with 1 or 2 drops of your favorite essential oil. It's excellent for the skin right after your bath or shower, and also you can add it with any of your favorite skin nourishing essential oils like geranium or rose or helichrysum, yarrow palm. All of those are excellent choices to blend together for all things skin. You can apply also to the dark elbows, dry elbows, and elbows and knees, of course. I'm so glad to welcome permanent items to doTERRA's new lineup starting October 1st of 2021, the new sensitive skin carrier oil, and also the new carrier oil for the body. So in addition to the long time staple that we have is fractionated coconut oil. So I'm so excited to welcome these. Now we have lots of choices. You're gonna love it for your face, elbows, all the things. I'm so glad that you're joining me today. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification, and also the like. Hope to see you in the next video. We'll be talking about teething babies. Have a great day.